Today we will be doing the front end swap with the facelift version of the sedan, and with the difference that this was crashed before, so I will also have to fix that. I took it apart just to see what I will need, and I have the parts here already. So what we will need for the swap is a new hood that is there, and the fenders. From what I've heard, they have to be cut right here and leave this part here from the compact, and from the sedan put this part and weld it together. So that will probably be the hardest part, and we will need the bumper and the lights, of course, with the turn signals. I have them in the trunk. So let's start to take it apart, fix the crashed part, and then finish this. Okay, so right now I believe that every structural part that was damaged is out from the car already. I think that nothing else is damaged, like just this part and the bumper support, and the hood and fenders, but structural parts, So you don't have to do this if you are just swapping the front end on a non-crashed car, but I crashed it, so I will have to do this. Okay, so I also did this because it was like broken in two pieces, and this was broken off, and it was broken off here too, and to my surprise, it holds pretty well. Okay, so I just put the front end on, like the front part, and it looks so good, like the yellow part. That's amazing. I really love it. And here you can actually see how much the hood is bent, it should be in the middle of the hole that you see, and look at where it is. Right now I put the sedan fender in here, and this is why you have to re-weld the parts, It has like a curve in here, and the door doesn't have it, and also the gap is terrible. And I also noticed that you can keep the compact hood, you just have to cut this part off, and this probably too, that is not on this hood. It this is good, just cut this and this off. So if you want, you can do this, but my hood is too damaged to keep, so I'm putting there this one. I have that one marked already, and I left a little mark here where it was, and from there I will just make a mark here and cut it, and then get someone to weld it. So that's probably everything about the fenders. That is like the worst part of this. And to remove the fender, it's best to jack up the car, put the wheel away, and take the fender liner off. You have better access to it when the wheel is down. Then you have a bolt right there. Then you have bolt here, but that is from the top, I think. I don't know. Then there are these bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 under this. And be careful, they are hard to remove. So don't strip it. They have short heads, So they can be rusted in there. I was lucky, all these bolts on my car on the other side too came down good. And you have one last bolt here. That's everything, I think. Okay, so we cut this one. This is the compact one. This is cut here, and this one, this is from the sedan. That is cut further away. So, and we put them like this. We made it fit, like made these gaps, you know, it won't get any better, but this is good enough for me. And we made a mark in here to cut it, so we have like a direct fit, you know. So right now this is cut and we have an basically even gap, and so we are gonna make a spot here and a spot down here, and from there we will be straightening this thing. Because this is bent from the crash, it shouldn't be this much to the outside, so that is why there is this hole. Okay, so I just finished installing the hood, and if you have this cover, you have these shitty little plastic clips. You just take a Phillips head and you screw them out if you can, you know. If you can't, just break them, I don't know, and get new ones. So you take these out, and then when taking this out, be very careful because it was falling apart in my hand, but I managed to do it. Next thing is disconnect this windshield washer and this one, and disconnect this hose right here. Next you want to take these little rubber things out, same for this one. Next you take the cable off of here. You can basically pull this out. These springs, you have this little thing here, you just push it forward and up and forward at the same time, and then you just pull this like this, so it goes off. Same on the other side, and then loosen this top screw, loosen the and take out the bottom one, and same for the other side, and then you can just pull the hood off like this and take it away. So get yourself a friend to help you with this. It's hard to do it alone. In my case, my mom helped me with this. So yeah, and then like for putting it back, the only part that was a little challenging was taking this cable and making it fit through here. And if you fit this first cable through here, then you can just pull it, and the hose and this cable will be just right here somewhere. So yeah, that's it for the hood. Somewhere I heard that when doing this you have to replace these from the compact, and it's a myth. You don't have to. Here is the part number, you can screenshot it, but it's the same on this one too, so you don't have to actually, but I will, because these ones are less rusty. So yeah, good thing that I thought of that after I adjusted them to fit the hood latch. Yeah, adjust these things. So loosen the bolt, adjust it somewhere where you need to, and then just check it like this. I have them adjusted already, but something is under my hood. But you adjust it so that you look where it is, from here and from here, and then you can move it somewhere. The same is for this thing, and you can also put back this. And also one tip I noticed is that this is the logo from the hood, and it's the same size as the one on here. So if you are missing the logo on the hood, you can put this one in there. So once you have that adjusted, it shouldn't be too hard to close the hood. Like this, it holds. So yeah, I put there the headlights and this aluminium thing. Okay, so now everything is done. what I need to do is to just put it together, and I still don't have a bumper. It will come tomorrow, and just spray paint it somehow so it's black, because it's silver right now, and yeah, put it on. So also, while your fenders are off, it's a good idea to clean this. I just cleaned this. There were like leaves in here and things, and just take it off, put it in the middle, and in this hole where my finger is, at the bottom is a hole, and it falls off right through this. So do that so it doesn't collect water and rust in there. Don't forget to adjust the gaps, because there are bigger holes in here, and they are there for the reason so you can adjust the gaps, you know, like this. You can move this to yourself, you can move it to the car more, you know. I have them mostly tight so I can't, but they are for adjusting like these gaps, you know. And also, while you're here, you might already noticed it, but there is usually a lot of mud in here, so take it out too. I took it out already for the most part. And so, if you did everything correctly, your car should look something like this. Yeah. My recommendation would be to buy these parts as an assembly. You know, like when you're buying bumper, buy it with the fog lights, with the cover, or like the fence style thing here. Also with the air duct, this, because it doesn't fit very good. I have the one from the Compact still. This is the original one, so it should be a bit taller, you know. These things, this trim doesn't fit in the top part, you know, it fits in the bottom. And I also put some double-sided tape and 2 bolts here. And I believe that there is something on the fender for this thing to clip into, because there are clipping things on this, but not on this, you know. So if you can, buy everything as an assembly, but I didn't have the money, so I went just for the cheapest thing, you know. And like the most expensive part of these are the headlights, you know. They cost me 50 money. Like the fenders, they were 40, the bumper was 42, and the hood, that just came together with this car. So yeah. So no. My little helper, always by my hand, always searching for the unknown.